Practical Oracle Database Security course. My name is Kate Gavron, and I'm going to be your instructor throughout this course. Let's take a look at what you're going to learn in this course. So this course is made up of 13 workshops, labs and presentations, and then some questions and answers to help you practice what you've learned. Let's take a look in a little bit more depth at each topic that we're going to be covering. In section 1, we're going to be covering the Oracle installation and some of the history around Oracle databases. In section 2, we're going to take a look at some of the common security pitfalls, focusing specifically on databases, but also some general guidance around security data leak prevention strategies. We're then going to move on to actually looking at the database security assessment tool, which can be used to give you a good overview of what's happening in your database. I'm also going to take a look at Oracle Audit Vault. In section 4, we're going to start working with the Oracle Database Firewall. We're going to show how you install it and then how you configure it. In section 5, we're going to be using Oracle Database Vault, which helps us to control privileged access. In section 6, we're going to be looking at how you manage your users within the Oracle database and how you handle user permissions. In section 7, we'll be looking at Oracle Database Label Security, installing it, setting it up, and showing how you can monitor it. And in section 8, move on to database encryption. We'll show how and why encryption is important, and then we'll also look at data redaction techniques. In section 9, we'll use Real Application Security Admin, or RAS ADM tool, to show you how you can secure your database from an application perspective. In section 10, we'll look at data masking and data subsetting, which will help us to control the accessibility of our data and create development databases. In section 11, we'll take a deeper look around SQL injection and around how you can identify and prevent them. And then in section 12, we'll look at database patching and vulnerability management, before we have a complete summary in the summary section. So you can see certain prerequisites for this course that will need to be completed. This is a hands-on course, so you will need a computer that is running Oracle. This can either be your own laptop if you have one powerful enough, or a company computer, or you can also consider using something in the cloud if you don't have these options available. Do not use a production database, because we're going to be doing things that could break that system. You will also need access to an Oracle database that is licensed. Now, given that we're using this for training, you will not need a full production license for many of these features, but however, you are responsible for your own licensing, and that's not going to be covered by this course. At some point, you will need to download some software from Oracle servers, and you will need an account to do that. So, here we go. Let's make a start. Join me in section 1, where we start by taking a look at Oracle, and then we do the installation